Oh. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to TOW Fishing. Back out here on the water this morning. We're gonna get out here and see what we can do with them, man. Get out here and have a good time. Do some spade fishing. Probably some bass again. Out here pretty early. Time check 6:02 a.m. Still got the moon up there. I don't know if you can see that, but still pretty dark. Trolling out here so we can fire up the motor. Well, you guys come along. See what we can do with them. Beautiful sunrise this morning, you guys. Out here early, so should be a pretty good day. Come along. There goes one. There he goes on that old jig, you guys. There he goes. Old speck right here. Beautiful fish. Oh, you can't really see him. There you go. Beautiful fish. There's another one. That is a warmouth. Oh, warmouth. Ain't caught one of them in a while. Fat one too. Look at that fish. Chunky. Oh, that joker hit it hard. He meant business. He was taking off with that jig. That joker hit it with some authority for sure. Yes, sir. Beautiful fish right here, guys. That was cool. He came off. No, that was cool, but he came off. Dang. Oh, missed it. There we go. He got it that time. There we go. Number one, you guys. On that old gambler, burner worm. There he goes. Healthy fish, you guys. Beautiful. All right, you guys, we're gonna let him go. There he goes. Oh, he came out the water on it. He's ripping him across the path. Come on in here, buddy. You wanted that old burner worm, didn't you? And you got it. You got it, my friend. He jumped all the way out the water, little guy, but fun stuff once again. Beautiful fish. Gonna let that one go. Keep missing it. Got it that time. Here's one. Pretty fish. Real pretty fish, you guys. There's one right here. Alright, you guys, there it goes. We're gonna send it back home. See you later, pal. There's a small guy. Little small guy on the old easy. I say easy. Little small guy on the old burner worm. Gonna send him back. Came out and nailed it. He came out like a torpedo behind it. There he goes. Gonna let him go. No, he got stuck. There he goes. There he goes, you guys. There's another fish right here. Let him go.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I'm gonna let you get to it.
I don't know how much longer I'm gonna stay, man. But
Go home and knock these scales off
nah, he ain't that big. If he don't get stuck. See, that's the size I've been catching, man, right here.
Yeah.
Yep. Right in the top of the mouth. There he goes, you guys. Gonna let that one go. There we go. There he goes. Got another one, you guys. Gonna let him go. There goes one. He grabbed it good too. He feels better. Oh yeah, it's the biggest one of the day. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. On that old speed worm. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish right there, you guys. Alright, you guys. 311 right there on that one. Beautiful fish. Good fight. Alright, you guys. We're gonna let that one go. Nice fish. There she goes. Oh. Small, but we got us another one there, guys. Old speed worm. There he goes. Gonna let him go. Oop, there goes one. There goes old speck. Right here, you guys. Caught him on that old jig. There we go. There's another one. Golden one. Yep, there's a nice golden one right there, guys. Nice fish. Oh my God. Ooh, I thought we had a big boy. That joker went for a ride. He went airborne. A little warmouth right there. Gonna let him go. Got him. There he goes. Old burner worm. Right in the roof of the mouth. Yes, sir. There he goes, you guys. We're gonna let him go. Get a jump. Woo! There he goes. There we go. There's another one right here, guys. On that OG. Calm down, buddy. Up in these pads, man. This is fun stuff. Don't ever get old feeling that old thump. Oh, there's a fly brim. There's a fly brim out of the same hole. Ain't caught one of these all day. Pretty fish. There's another one. Oh. Would you look at that? Right in the cooler, buddy. Another nice fish. There it goes, guys. There's another one. Oh, big old spit. Yes, sir. There's a group of them right here. Going nice one. Oh, there's a good one. There is a good one, you guys. It's a healthy one right here. Pretty fish. They weren't big, but they were keepers. He came and nailed it. That bass is real dark. Black bass. Quite literally. There's a nice one right there though, guys. Real dark fish. We're gonna let him go. Well, you guys, I think we're gonna wrap it up on that note. Had another really great day out here. Caught a bunch of fish. Just had a genuine fun time out here, man. Appreciate you guys for watching. And once again, if you enjoy these videos, make sure you leave me a like, drop a comment, and consider joining the TOW family by subscribing. That'll really help me out. Completely free to you guys. But yeah, catch you guys on the next one.